हर साल की तरह 17 सितंबर कल्याण कर्नाटका लिबरेशन डे के तौर पे मनाया जाता है। यही नहीं, आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव का वर्ष भर में जो आचरण चल रहा है, इसी शुभ अवसर पर ख्वाजा बंदा नवाज यूनिवर्सिटी कलबुर्गी ने ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप का आयोजन किया और इस कैंप में डॉक्टर्स ने, लोगों ने बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा लिया।
Myself Vishnu Kinkar, I am the student representative of KBN University. Today on the occasion of 75 Amrit Mahotsav Divas and along with KBN University and IMIMSN Karnataka, we are conducting a blood donation camp all over this university, wherein all the doctors have come forward to donate the blood, which is a very good cause. Each drop counts because each bag of blood donated by the people is going to save many lives. So I will ask all the common people, please to come forward and donate their blood so that more and more lives are being saved.
Name is Deepthi, and today on the occasion of Kalyan Karnataka Liberation Day, we KBN University in collaboration with IMA MSN Karnataka have organized for a blood donation camp. And here in our college today, most of the doctors, the nurses and all medical and paramedical staff are coming up to donate their blood. I request all the medicos and other fellow friends of mine to come forward, donate blood. For every drop counts. One person when donates a blood can save nearly around 4 persons' lives, and your blood really matters. Please do come forward and donate blood. Any person above 18 age can donate, and I said again, men can donate every once for 3 months and women every 4 months once. So please do come forward and donate your blood.
Myself Shobha Devi, Counsellor, PPDCT, KBN Hospital. We are organizing mega blood donation camp on with the collaboration with Karnataka AIDS Prevention Society Bangalore, District Panchayat and DHO, District Health Welfare Office. On the eve of 75th Independence Day, it's a mega camp. It's not only in KBN, we are organizing all over Gulbarga, Karnataka. It's same day we are celebrating. All men can give every 3 months, and all women and girls can give every 4 months, and above 18 age and more than 50 weight all can donate. And the benefit of donating blood, we can reduce cholesterol, and it's good for saving a life. One blood can save 4 lives.
I am Dr. Vishali, Blood Bank Medical Officer, KBN. So today is the mega blood donation camp, not only in the KBN and everywhere, all blood banks in the Kalburgi. So we have got a good response today. So many of the medical students have come to donate the blood, all the semester students. So till now we have collected 30 bags, and it is a good response. So on the occasion of the Kalyan Karnataka Liberation Day, we are celebrating this blood donation camp today. And any person having the hemoglobin more than 12.5 grams and weight should be above 50 kg. And there are so many advantages of this blood donation. So it will reduce the cholesterol in the body, and all the severe diseases also it will reduce the risk. And request everyone to come forward and donate the blood today.
Myself, I'm Sri, and I am a first year student of KBN University. And as a part of blood donation, I donated my blood. This is my first time I'm donating my blood. So I'm very happy to be a part of this program.
My name is Vedant Mantri. I am a second year student at KBN IMS, and I have taken part in the blood camp conducted by them. And it feels very good after donating my blood. Knowing that it can help another save his life.